Hello guys, my name is Govind Sharma. So in this video tutorial we will see a newspaper article scraping and curation. So we talk about newspaper is a Python module used for extracting and parsing newspaper articles. So it uses advanced algorithms to extract all the useful text from a website. So it works well on online newspaper websites. So first let's check. This is the newspaper.readdocs.io, and here you can see the newspaper.3k is the library, the article scraping and curation, and here you can see the coding also is the newspaper from articles, and the syntax you can see. Okay. So how we can extract the news from a website? Okay, let's jump to the coding part. So first we need to install pip install newspaper 3k. So this is the library we are going to import and enter. It takes time. Okay, it's executed successfully. So now we are going to import newspaper from newspaper import articles. Select this, command control enter to execute. Okay, that's great, it's executed successfully. And here we also import newspaper, and if you want to check the language of the newspaper, just type newspaper.language and enter. So here you can see the input code and the full name of the language. Available language here are, so we are going to use EN code for English. So we are going to fetch the article from Times of India. So just open this Times of India, India and China news. Just select this URL, Control C, and okay, it and paste it here. Okay, select this, control enter to execute. Okay, and if you want to newspaper refer here for different language, but we need in English. So just TOI article equal to article in bracket, we have given URL comma language is English is EN the code. Okay, select this, command control enter to execute. Okay, it's executed successfully. And if you want to download the article, just type UI article dot download and enter. And want to parse the article, just type UI article dot parse. And if you want to perform the natural language processing, so just type UI article dot NLP and enter. Now we want to extract the title. Just I have given articles title and print UI article dot title and enter. So you can see the article of the title, India China standoff, and you want to extract the text, just TOI article, TOI underscore article dot text, and enter. So that's great. So this is the article we have extracted. Okay, and as we can check all the information here, and here you can see it's extracted already. Okay, and if you want to extract the summary, just type TOI article dot summary and enter. Okay, extract all the summary from the Times of India. And suppose we want to extract the keywords. What are the keywords? So just type TOI underscore article dot keywords and enter. So here you can see the articles keywords. This is the article keywords. Okay, and if we want to select this, suppose we need to save the article, just select this and you can copy this and type here text, notepad, and you control V. Okay, so this is the article summary. You can save this, or if you want to extract more information like coronavirus cases in India, so you can select this URL and just paste it here. Control enter to execute. Okay, it's executed successfully, and now you can select all and command control enter to execute. Okay, it's executed successfully. Here you can see the articles of the COVID-19 cases in India. This is the latest news of the TOI. So that's great. I hope you like this tutorial. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.